The Inspector General of Police IGP Kayode Egbetoko has cancelled an earlier invitation asking the Emir of Kano, Emir Sanusi, to appear in Abuja for questioning. Instead, the police have now sent officers from the Force Intelligence Department (FID) to Kano to speak with him. The Emir was invited over a violence incident that happened during the Eid al-Fitr celebration on Saturday, March 30th, 2025. Which led to the death of one person. The crisis comes as two men, Lamido Sanusi and Aminu Ado Bayero, both claim the title of Emir of Kano. The conflict started after Governor Abba Yusuf removed Mr. Bayero in 2024 and reinstated Mr. Sanusi, who was dethroned in 2020 by the former governor Abdullahi Ganduje. According to police spokesperson Olumuyiwa Adejobi, the invitation was meant to get Mr. Sanusi's side of the story about the Salah Day violence, but the IGP changed his mind after getting advice from respected leaders. It said the police want to avoid actions that might be misunderstood or seen as political. Before Salah Day, the police had warned both emirs not to hold separate Durbar festivals to keep peace. Durbar is a traditional parade where an emir rides a horse around the city. Both emirs agreed not to ride. However, after attending Eid prayers in a car, the Emir of Kano later rode a horse in a procession back to his palace. This act reportedly caused a clash with angry youths. One person, Usman Sagiru, died, and several others were hurt.
Chion, you agree with me there was a problem in Kano State on 30th of March during the Salah celebration, Eid al-Fitr celebration, that led to the death of someone and many injured. Before then, the police had intelligence that there will be a breakdown of law and order if the two disputed emirs should have their Durbar festivals. And you know that Durbar, when somebody is riding on the horse, it shows and it connotes royalty. That is the substantive emir. And because of the lingering issue, the police got this intelligence, and the IGP was proactive enough, sent the Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of the Northwest and the Force Criminal Investigation Department, DIG Sadiq Abubakar Imenai, to Kano to go and meet the two leaders and, of course, the government of Kano State. They met, and they all agreed there will not be any Durbar in Kano State on the Salah Day. And Alhaji Muhammadu Sanusi went to the praying ground in his car, and suddenly, after the prayer, he decided to ride on a horse, and that signifies so many things. In company of many vigilante guys in the area and some guys in the community, there was a problem after that. The procession was attacked, and this led to the death of one person and many left injured. Somebody is dead, and the police from the Force Intelligence Department, FID, decided to investigate this case as a criminal offense, and they have written a letter of invitation to Alhaji Sanusi to come and clarify certain issues. Why that particular breach of agreement? Because there was agreement between all of them. In fact, they made statements to that effect that nobody will have a Durbar festival in that place.
So the police sees the death as that Emir is vicariously responsible for the incident that led to the death.
Well, the invitation letter, investigation will reveal, but definitely, if his name has been prominently featured in the investigation, investigators will invite him.
The police said they had warned about this possible violence and had tried to prevent it by speaking with both emirs and the state government. The IGP also confirmed that some arrests have been made and the investigation is ongoing. He promised that justice will be done and everyone involved will be held responsible. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.